Hello guys, welcome to my series where I teach crochet for complete beginners. Today we are going to be learning the double crochet in US terms or the treble crochet in UK terms. So to get started, I need my yarn and I need my 4mm hook. And the first thing that we need to do as usual is doing a slip knot. So how you do that, you get your index finger as we are used to doing, and then crossing it over, and then grabbing your working yarn and putting it over your index finger and then grabbing it. Then we're going to grab our hook, going into the second loop, and take it over your whole finger, make this knot tighter, then put your crochet hook through this loop and pull on your working yarn to tighten it. Then we are going to chain like as much as you want. So I'm going to do that again. So you got your slip knot, you should do a yarn over, under and over, and then you go through the loop, and then you just keep doing that for as much as you like. Now I'm done with my chains, and as we know, we are going to start from the second V from our hook, so this one here, and not this one. We're going to skip this first one and then go into the second one. So what we need to do first, to do a double crochet or a treble crochet, is a yarn over. So we go under and over, and then we go into the second V. We go through it, just like that, then do another yarn over, so under and over, and then we pull out. And now we have 3 loops on our hook. Now we're going to do another yarn over, so under and over, and we're going to go through just 2 of the loops. And then we have 2 loops left. So we're going to do another yarn over, and then we are going to go through the remaining 2 loops. And that's one double crochet. So let's do that again. First thing, yarn over, go into the V, then yarn over again, go out of the V so that we have 3 loops, yarn over again, pull through 2, yarn over again, pull through the remaining 2. That's 2 double crochets. Now we're going to do that one more time. So yarn over, go into that V, then do another yarn over, and get out of the V so that you have 3 loops on your hook. Then we're going to do another yarn over and go through 2 loops, and then another yarn over and go through the remaining 2 loops. And that's a double crochet. So let's keep doing that until the end of our row. So do a yarn over, go into the V, yarn over, get out of the V, yarn over, go through 2 loops, yarn over, go through the remaining 2. Again, yarn over, go through the V, then yarn over, get out of the V, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. That's how it's starting to look. So again, yarn over, go into the V, yarn over, go out of the V, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through the last 2. One last time, yarn over, go into the V, yarn over, go out of the V, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2. That's how my row is looking so far. So I'm going to complete that and show you the whole row. So now I'm at the end of my row. I just have 1 stitch left. So I'm going to yarn over, go into the V, yarn over, get out of the V, yarn over, go through 2, and then yarn over, go through 2. So now let's say I want to do the second row. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to chain 1, just like that. Then I'm going to flip my whole piece, and then I'm going to start again. So yarn over, go into this little hole here, make sure you're under the whole V, and then yarn over, get out, and then go through 2, and then go through the remaining 2. So let's do that again. We're going to yarn over, go into the second stitch, under the whole V, yarn over, get out, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So one more time, yarn over, go to the next stitch, under the whole V, yarn over, pull out, yarn over, pull out through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's it. I'm going to complete the second row and show you how it looks. Now I'm at the end of row 2, and I have 1 stitch left. So I'm going to yarn over, go through that last stitch, and then yarn over, and then I'm going to yarn over and pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Now to do my third row, I'm going to chain 1 and flip again, and then do my next double crochet. Make sure I'm under the whole V, yarn over, pull out, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then again yarn over into the next hole under the whole V, yarn over, pull out, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's do that one last time. Yarn over into the next space under the V, yarn over, pull out, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through the last 2. I'm going to finish this row and show you how it looks. So these are my 3 rows. That's the end. So if you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and click on the bell for notifications about any of the new videos that I upload about this series, and to be a professional crocheter one day. See you next time.